Welcome. If you've ever wondered how to tell if someone has added you on Roblox, you're in the right spot. Understanding your connections on this platform can enhance your gaming experience and help you connect with friends. Let's explore the key ways to find out if someone has added you. First up, friend requests. The easiest way to know if someone wants to connect with you is to check your friend requests. If you see their username in that list, it means they've added you. It's a straightforward indicator and a great place to start. Next, take a look at your friends list. If you notice their username appearing there, it means they've successfully sent you a friend request, and you've accepted it. This shows that you're officially connected, and can start playing together or chatting in Roblox. Finally, keep an eye on your activity feed. If you see updates or activity from their account, like game joins, achievements, or friend interactions, it's a sign that you are indeed connected. This feed helps you stay updated on what your friends are up to and can spark new gaming adventures. By following these steps, you can easily determine if someone has added you on Roblox. Thanks for watching, and happy gaming.